Is your Audi missing a key feature that you wish it had? Well, look no further, as we will have the solution for you. Take this RS5 for example. Being an RS model, it almost has all of the key features that you could ever want on an Audi, almost being the key word. This vehicle was factory delivered without blind spot assist. So we have retrofitted the genuine Audi blind spot system. It integrates in through the MMI, so it can be turned on and off and the brightness adjusted. The button to enable / disable the system is in the original housing on the mirror backing, as well as the lights to illuminate when someone is in the blind spot being inbuilt in the original mirror housing, meaning that it works and looks exactly the same as if it was factory fitted in Germany. My name's Jarrod Shelley from Autofidelity. Thanks for watching.